to look at types of symmetry, and we're going to first start with line symmetry. So with line symmetry, it's where we can reflect across a line. So we're going to reflect the image across a given line. So like this figure right here, we actually have 3 different line symmetries, because if I cut this figure here and fold it, then I can fold it over on itself, because this part will be here, this part will be here. Same thing if I cut it down the center here, this part will be here, and these 2 parts will fold over on themselves. And then the same thing will happen here. Now it's easier to see with the butterfly. This one only has 1 line of symmetry, because this part of this wing has to fold over on this part. This part of this wing has to fold over on this part. So it's a mirror image type of thing. I cannot cut it down through the center because this part right here does not match down here. Same thing with this head of the animal. I can only cut it down the center. Now if I look at these 2 figures and I want to determine how many lines of symmetry that we have, now I can't cut this from this corner to this corner, because that would fold over. Basically what we have to look at is it's got to go through the center somehow, okay? So if I cut this directly down the center here, will this corner be here? Will this corner be here? Yes. So this is 1 line of symmetry. Well, I can do that with each of the corners. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this has 5 lines of symmetry. Now, I can't cut it down here because that would fold over on itself there. So let's erase that. I can't cut it here because that doesn't work. Even if I cut it here, they don't fold over on themselves. This one actually has 0 lines of symmetry, because there's no way that I can cut this and have it fold over on itself. Be careful with the ovals, okay? Because technically, yes, I can cut it down the center here. This side folds over on this side. I can cut it down the center here, if I could draw straight lines. This half would fold over on this half. I cannot cut it like this. This half does not fold over on this half, okay? And there's actually no other way I could cut this. This one actually only has 2 lines of symmetry. If I was just looking at a circle, there would be infinite. This one, yeah, I can cut it here. I can cut it here. And that's pretty much all. So I have 2. When you want to find the center, especially of an arc, you fold it in half, okay? So you make this line, this corner, touch this corner. You fold it in half. When you fold it in half, you will get that here's the point, and right here's the center, okay? And you'll have this radius where it goes from the end point to here. And so you'll do some paper folding. Honestly, get some paper, trace this arc, and actually do the paper folding. It will help you see that.